Good morning, dear students. We are studying the chapter "The Little Girl," and we saw that there was a hatred feeling in the mind of the girl towards her father. She was not much interested, and grandmother had told her to make a pin cushion on the birthday of her father, and she prepared it, and she had to fill it up with something. So for that purpose, she had taken the speech which her father had prepared for the court authority. It was used, and she had taken it, and she tore it and filled it in the pin cushion. But when father searched for the speech, he could not find it, and he became all the more angry. And at last they found that when mother asked her whether she had taken the papers, then she said that she has already taken and tore it and used it for making the pin cushion. So the father became very much angry, and he came and beaten the child. So the child became very much upset, and she was lying in the lap of grandmother and slept. After a few days, the girl had a hatred feeling towards father, and she also thought that all fathers are of like this. Okay, so that was her attitude. But one day she happened to see her neighbor, and the neighbors were McDonald's family was there, and there were 5 children, and all were playing very happily with their parents, with their father. So then when she saw this one, she was surprised to see that, and she came to realize that all fathers are not like that. There are different sorts of fathers. So that much we have seen. The remaining portion we study now. So you may take page number 35, and we are in the 9th paragraph, the second part of that, almost towards the end of that page. Then it was, she decided there were different sorts of fathers. So that much we have already studied. Suddenly, one day, mother became ill, and she and grandmother went to hospital. So one day what happened is that mother became ill. So the mother was having some problem, and she was taken to the hospital, and in order to give support to mother, grandmother also had gone. So at home, only the little girl and father was left. Okay, the little girl was left alone in the house with Alice, the cook. That was all right in the daytime. So during the daytime, there was only so father used to go for the job, and at that time there is no problem, and she is there, child is there, and there is a cook named Alice, and she was taking care of the little girl. So there was no any kind of a problem in the daytime, but at night there was kind of a problem. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. So when the maid was trying to make her sleep in the evening, so in the daytime there was no any problem, but at night there was a problem. So she started becoming afraid. What will I do if I have a nightmare? So she have a confusion. So she is having a question. What will I do if I have a nightmare? You know what is a nightmare? Nightmare is a kind of a dream which makes us afraid. Okay, so sometimes people, they watch, some children are there, so those who are having some fear and all the children are having, especially at night, they are having some problem. When you find that when it gets dark, then people, especially children, they will have they are afraid. Okay, so sometimes at night the children may have nightmares. Nightmares are the kind of dreams, which horrifying type of dreams. So this may be connected with the dreams that we are having is connected with our imagination. So or the things that we see. So sometimes we have like some fear, or sometimes some stories we might have heard, or some of our friends might have told something. So such a way some kind of imaginations are created in our mind, and based on that these dreams may be coming. So here these nightmares are such kind of dreams which makes us afraid. So some animals, wild animals are coming to attack us, or sometimes we feel that we are falling down from the some building, or we are fallen into where in a big vessel, and in that there are so many snakes, and they are coming to attack you. So these type of or some car accident is taking place. So such type of very horrifying type of dreams may be there. So they are known as nightmares. So she also had a nightmare, and she used to have a similar nightmare on most of the days. Okay, so she usually have nightmares in that. So because it normally people, those who are not having sufficient or not having a very good like mental courage is not there, those who are so much afraid, so such type of people will be having the nightmares. Okay, so she used to have the nightmares, and she is so much afraid. So she asked a question that what will I do if I have a nightmare, she asked. I often have nightmares, and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. So she says that she never sleep alone. So she is having the nightmares, and when she is having a nightmare, then the granny takes her to her bed. So she sleeps with the granny, and so I cannot stay in the dark. So some children, they are afraid of darkness. If you are in a dark space, then they will get afraid. They will see that there are some people there. Or when you are lying down in a room alone, some children, they will have such type of a fear. So if you are lying down on a bed alone, and if you are sleeping and there is nobody in your house, or even there in your house there may be somebody else, but in your room there may not be anyone. So you are lying alone there, and you are about to sleep, and there are no lights. So you will feel that there is somebody coming to catch you, or somebody is there in the room. So you will find that the room is entirely empty, only you are there, and there are nobody. But you will feel that somebody is moving here and there, or say like you start hearing the sounds. Such type of feelings will be there. So people, this is all imaginations, and this is all because of the fear that we are having. So sometimes the children will have these type of fears. Okay. So she also was having already from the story itself we can understand that she is a girl which with a lot amount of fear. Okay. So already she is having a very fearful mind, and because of that she used to get all these fears are there. So then she said, I am unable to sleep alone, and so when I am being alone, it all gets whispery. So she will, whisper means to speak very softly. So she can hear the sound of somebody speaking very softly like. Okay, so these things are there, though. This is one problem. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor pa. But the servant, she did not say anything, or she said that you don't worry about this one, you just sleep. All these things will not be there. Just made her to sleep. So she has to somehow complete the job and to go. So she said that you just go to sleep, child. So she did not say that nothing will come, or any kind of she did not try to make her happy, or make her confident in the feeling that she was having. So she had to somehow let her sleep and go. So that was the job. So that that is the work that she had to do. So she just told her that you just sleep. And pulling off her socks. So she was removing the socks. When they are sleeping, they may not be wearing the socks, and also it was removed. And don't you scream and wake your poor pa. And also the father is there nearby. He will be sleeping in the next room, or in that house. And if she have the nightmare, if she is having the nightmare, then she started screaming, crying very loudly. Then her father will get afraid, and she will wake up. So don't make her make your father to wake up. Okay. But the same old nightmare came. So all the things was told to her, but she wanted to sleep without making any much noise, because she did not want to disturb her father. So she was about to sleep, but the same nightmare came. So she used to have a same nightmare most of the days. But same old nightmare came. The butcher with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, smiling that a dreadful smile, while he could not move could only stand still, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma." She walked shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. So she used to have a same or a similar type of nightmare used to have, and the nightmare that she used to have was a nightmare of a butcher. Butcher, you know, butcher is a person who is cutting animals, or like if they are cutting the meat and all, and distribute and all. So they are having a big knife. You might have seen like a chicken center and all are there. So they are making such kind of things. So these kinds of people are there. So they are using. So they are very fearful type of person. So they are killing animals. Even though they are killing animals, but they people, children and all, if they see, they will be afraid so much. So she is getting afraid of these things. So there is a butcher, and in his hand there is a knife and a rope. Okay, so rope and the knife will be there. So for killing the animals. Who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile, and also so. This is not there. This is just a feeling that she is having. So she always feel that the butcher is coming to attack her. So in his hand there is a one hand knife is there, another hand rope is there, and he is coming closer, and he is having a dreadful smile, a fearful smile is there. So he is very like going to kill you. Like okay, with that smile he will be coming closer. So she gets afraid. Dreadful smile. While she could not move, could only stand still, crying out. So at that time, what you see, like normally when we are having the nightmares, we will feel like to move. Like imagine that, see, like if you are falling down somewhere, or if some snake is coming to attack. But at that time, you will feel that your body will become frozen like. Okay, so you will not be able to move. Your hands cannot be moved, or your legs cannot be moved. Such type of feelings will be there. You are trying to move, but you are unable to move. So such a feeling was there. So she was trying to move away, but unable to move away. She only could do is to cry out loudly, "Grandma, Grandma." So she started crying, "Grandma, Grandma." She walked shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. But when she woke up, she could see that instead of grandmother, her father was there, and she was standing just nearby, and in his hand there was a candle. So means at night it is there may not be light, and also he came to see whether after when the girl was crying or making noise, father came near, and he came to be with the child. Okay. So the remaining portion we study in the next class. Okay. Thank you so much.